evil English teacher. He's a very bad teacher. He comes into his class. The students are sitting at their desks, waiting for him. The teacher says to the class, "Every day, we'll study English grammar. If you make a mistake, I'll hit you with a stick." Then the teacher opens his textbook. He says, "Today we'll learn the past perfect progressive verb tense, as well as the future conditional." He points to a girl and says, "What's the past perfect progressive?" The girl's very nervous. She says, I don't know." As soon as she finishes speaking, the evil teacher jumps across the room with a large stick and hits her on the head. The girl cries. The other students are very scared. The teacher points to a boy and says, "What is the future conditional?" The boy says nothing. The teacher says, "Go ahead, answer now." The boy says, but we haven't learned it yet." The evil teacher says, "In other words, you don't know it." He jumps across the room and hits the boy hard on the head. The cries. All the students are scared and miserable. They hate the evil teacher, but they're lucky. One student has a cell phone. She secretly dials the number of her friend, AJ. AJ answers the phone. "Hello?" The student whispers, "This is Kaori. Help us, AJ. Please help us. An evil English teacher is beating us." AJ says, "Don't worry. I'll be right there." AJ jumps on his motorcycle and speeds to the school. He runs through the front door, down the hall, and bursts into the class. He says to the evil teacher, "Stop hitting these students, you bastard." Then he runs across the room. He picks up a desk and hits the evil teacher with it. The teacher falls to the floor. He is beaten. AJ looks at Kaori and says, "What do you want me to do with him?" Kaori says, "It's up to you. You decide." AJ throws the evil teacher out the window and says, "No more evil grammar study. You are free." The students cheer, "Yay!" Everyone is very happy.